Now I don't know what depth is supposed to be, right? Oh yeah, it works, right? Yeah, I don't know if that's what that's for, but it's for that, something like that. And then we'll remove our cam pin right here, turn it to the side. I know we could do this with our hands or with a cartridge. I know that. And then there you guys have it. Could I use my serrated blade to clean this if it's too gummed up? Maybe. Let's see if it'll go. But this one is okay. And we continue to